Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the question, what do you want to do with your life? You're not alone. Here's a surprising stat. According to a 2023 survey by Zippia, 91% of people admit they've felt stuck in their careers at some point. Even more shocking? By age 50, the average person has changed jobs 12 times, and half of those switches weren't planned. The truth is, the job market is shifting faster than ever. AI and automation are expected to replace 85 million jobs by 2025, World Economic Forum, but here's the twist, they'll also create 97 million new roles. The challenge isn't just finding a career, it's choosing one that will grow with you. In this article, we'll explore how to pick a career that aligns with your passions, values, and future goals. You'll uncover hidden skills, learn to pivot into new industries, and craft a plan for long-term success. Ready to take control of your career journey? Let's dive in. Chapter 1: Finding your unique North Star. Picking a career isn't about following trends, it's about discovering what truly matters to you. Think of this as finding your North Star, that guiding force that keeps you motivated even during tough times. According to Designing Your Life by Bill Burnett and Dave Evans, purpose-driven work leads to higher job satisfaction. Start by asking yourself 3 key questions. What am I naturally good at? What problems in the world excite me? What kind of life do I want to live 10 years from now? These questions help narrow down careers aligned with your values. For example, if you're passionate about sustainability, you might thrive in industries like green tech or environmental advocacy. Here's an exercise. Write a personal mission statement. It doesn't have to be fancy. Something as simple as I want to make technology more accessible for small businesses can spark clarity. Harvard Business Review says people with a clear mission are 32% more likely to report career success. Avoid the trap of choosing a career just because it pays well. Research from Gallup shows that 70% of employees who feel unengaged at work cite misalignment with their values, not low salaries, as the culprit. Chapter 2: Beyond the Resume. Discovering hidden skills. Most people underestimate their talents. Your resume may say one thing, but what about the skills you've built from hobbies, volunteering, or personal projects? These hidden skills are often the key to standing out in today's job market. For instance, if you've run a successful Etsy store, you probably have experience in marketing, customer service, and budgeting. Did you organize a community event? That's project management in disguise. A LinkedIn study found that soft skills like creativity and adaptability are among the most in demand, even in technical roles. Here's a strategy: list your micro skills. Break down tasks you've done into specific abilities. For example, writing blog posts could mean you're skilled in research, SEO, and persuasive writing. The more granular, the better. These micro skills can help you explore careers you hadn't considered before. Another tip? Create a digital portfolio. Show, don't just tell, what you can do. Platforms like Behance, GitHub, or even a simple Google Drive folder can act as a visual resume. Employers are 53% more likely to call back candidates with portfolios, according to a survey by Career Builder. Chapter 3: Mindset Mastery. Future-proofing your career. The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear: adaptability is your superpower. As Charles Darwin famously said, it's not the strongest of the species that survive, but the most adaptable. The same goes for careers. First, adopt a growth mindset. Carol Dweck, in her book Mindset: The New Psychology of Success, explains that seeing challenges as opportunities for growth increases resilience. So, instead of fearing change, embrace it. If a job rejection comes your way, think, what can I learn from this? Stay ahead by upskilling. According to the World Economic Forum, 50% of all employees will need reskilling by 2025. But here's the good news: online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning make it easier than ever. Set aside just 30 minutes a day to learn something new. Over a year, that's 182 hours of skill building. Finally, don't underestimate the power of mental health. Studies show that mindfulness practices like meditation can boost focus and reduce stress by up to 60%. Apps like Headspace or Calm can help you incorporate this into your routine. Love these strategies? Don't miss out on the rest of the content we have for you. Subscribe now to stay on top of your career journey. Chapter 4: The Art of Strategic Networking. Without the sleaze, networking is often seen as awkward or forced, but it doesn't have to be. It's not about collecting business cards, it's about building genuine relationships. Think of it as professional friendship building. As Keith Ferrazzi says in his book Never Eat Alone, success in any field, but especially in business, is about working with people, not against them. Start by being curious. When you meet someone, ask about their work and goals. Listen more than you speak. Research from Harvard shows that people who listen actively are rated as more likable and competent in professional settings. Another tip? Give before you take. Help others by sharing a useful article, offering advice, or connecting them to someone in your network. When you provide value first, people are more likely to remember and support you. This is the foundation of reciprocity. If you're shy or introverted, focus on online communities. Platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit forums, or industry-specific Slack groups can be goldmines for connections. Share your thoughts on posts or start conversations in comment sections. A thoughtful comment can spark meaningful relationships. Chapter 5: Pivoting like a Pro. How to change careers without starting over. Switching careers can feel like jumping into the deep end, but it doesn't mean starting from scratch. It's about repositioning what you already know. What color is your parachute? By Richard N. Bowles suggests focusing on transferable skills abilities that apply across different industries. First, identify the overlap between your current job and your dream role. For example, if you're a teacher transitioning into corporate training, skills like public speaking and lesson planning are invaluable. LinkedIn's data shows that 59% of professionals successfully transition careers by emphasizing transferable skills. Storytelling is key. Rewrite your resume to frame your past experiences in a way that aligns with your new industry. For example, instead of saying managed a team of 10, you could write led cross-functional collaboration to achieve project goals. This shift focuses on results, not roles. Chapter 6: Planning for Progress. Crafting a 5-year career blueprint. A 5-year plan isn't about locking yourself into a rigid timeline. It's about setting a direction while staying flexible. Think of it as a roadmap with room for detours. Research from psychological science shows that people with clear goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Start with SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want a promotion, you could say, I want to lead a team within 2 years by completing a management course and taking on more responsibilities. Track your progress regularly. Schedule monthly check-ins with yourself to review what's working and what's not. A study by Dominican University found that writing down goals and reviewing them often increases success rates by 33%. Enjoyed this roadmap to your future? Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips and insights to take your career to the next level.